Hello there, and a very warm welcome to Explore and Discover. Isn't it just a lovely day to dream about whisking ourselves away on a fabulous holiday? But hold on a moment when we start packing our bags and thinking about sun-drenched beaches or cozy city breaks. There's often a little face with big sad eyes watching our every move. Yes, I'm talking about our gorgeous four-legged family members. Leaving them behind can be simply heartbreaking, can't it? It feels like leaving a piece of your heart at home. Well, what if I told you that you don't have to? What if your next lavish getaway could include your most loyal companion in the lap of luxury? Get ready to have your minds blown, because today we are diving tail first into a world where our pets are not just tolerated, but celebrated as the VIPs, the very important pets they truly are. We're talking about destinations that roll out the red carpet, not just for you, but for your furry, feathered or scaled friends too. Forget the kennels, forget the guilt, and forget the sad goodbyes at the door. We're about to embark on a journey to discover the top 10 most luxurious, most pampering, and most utterly fabulous holiday spots for you and your pet. So grab a cuppa, get comfy, and let's explore a new breed of travel together. Imagine your beloved doggo getting a full-body massage, or your precious kitty dining on a gourmet meal prepared by a world-class chef. It sounds like something out of a fairy tale, doesn't it? But I promise you, these places are very, very real. From chauffeur-driven rides to personalized spa treatments, the world of pet-friendly luxury travel has exploded, offering experiences that might even make us humans a little bit jealous. It's all about creating unforgettable memories with the entire family, and that of course includes our pets. They give us so much unconditional love every single day, so isn't it about time we treated them to something truly special? Before we unleash the list, just a little note to say that all the wonderful uplifting music you'll hear is selected for you and your four-legged friend, so you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show without a care in the world. Now, are you ready? Have you got your pet snuggled up beside you, ready to pick out their dream destination? I hope so. Our first stop takes us to the beautiful British countryside for a taste of pure, unadulterated canine class. Let's get into it, shall we? It's going to be absolutely fabulous. Nestled in the rolling hills of the British countryside, the Four Seasons in Bristol is a 5-star dog hotel designed just for our canine companions. Here, dogs enjoy plush suites, acres of private parkland to explore, and a relaxing environment. The staff provide personalized care, learning each dog's favorite games and needs. There's even a luxury spa offering massages, aromatherapy, and top-notch grooming. Gourmet meals are prepared by an in-house chef, tailored to every dietary need. The Four Seasons is a true paradise for pampered pups. Simply brilliant. Right, for our next stop, we're jetting off across the pond to the land of sunshine, celebrities, and serious glamour Los Angeles. And right in the heart of Hollywood, you'll find a place that is every bit as glitzy and glamorous as its star-studded surroundings. Welcome to D-Pet Hotels, where the motto is play, relax, spoil. And believe me, they take that very, very seriously. This is where the pampered pooches of the rich and famous come to see and be seen. It's the pinnacle of canine chic, a place where your dog can live out their own Hollywood movie star fantasy. Forget standard kennels. At D-Pet Hotels, the accommodation is all about ultra-luxury suites. We're talking about their Uber suites, which are just jaw-droppingly lavish. These are enormous 22 by 17-foot private rooms, each one exquisitely decorated and furnished with a full-sized queen bed with plush bedding, modern decor, and of course a massive flat-screen television exclusively showing dog-friendly programming. Yes, you heard that right. Your dog can literally lie in bed watching their favorite movies. It's wonderfully bonkers, and I absolutely love it. It's pure, unadulterated indulgence. And how does your precious pet arrive at this palace of pampering? Well, they certainly don't just get dropped off at the door. Oh no, that would be far too ordinary. D-Pet Hotels offers a high-end chauffeur service featuring some of the most luxurious cars in the world. Imagine your beloved dog being picked up from your home in a magnificent Ferrari, a Lamborghini, a Bentley, or even a Rolls-Royce. They'll be whisked through the streets of Los Angeles in ultimate style, arriving at the hotel like the true A-list celebrity they are. It's the most fabulously extra thing I've ever heard of. This commitment to luxury is woven into every single detail of the D-Pet Hotel's experience. It's about creating a fantasy world where dogs are the stars of the show. The entire facility is designed to be visually stunning, clean, and incredibly comfortable. From the moment you and your pet walk through the door, you are greeted with a level of service that rivals the finest human hotels in the world. The staff are dedicated to making every single canine guest feel like the most important pup in the world, ensuring their stay is nothing short of extraordinary. It's Hollywood, baby! Now, in Los Angeles, looking and feeling your best is absolutely paramount, and the same goes for the canine clientele at D-Pet Hotels. That's why they have not one, not two, but 3 incredible indoor dog parks, spanning over 6,000 square feet of climate-controlled playtime perfection. Rain or shine, the dogs can socialize, run, and play in a safe and clean environment under the watchful eye of trained supervisors. It's a fantastic way for them to burn off energy and make new friends, all while staying cool and comfortable away from that hot California sun. But for the dog who is serious about their fitness regime, there's something even more special, a state-of-the-art doggy gym called Pant. It's a custom-built fitness center complete with personal trainers and specially designed treadmills to help your pup stay in peak physical condition. Whether they need to shed a few extra pounds, build muscle tone, or just enjoy a structured workout, the trainers will create a personalized fitness plan just for them. It's taking walkies to a whole new high-tech level. It's just incredible what they think of. After a good workout and a play session, it's time for a bit of pampering at the D-Spa. This is where your dog can indulge in a range of grooming and wellness treatments to get them red carpet ready. From deep conditioning treatments to detoxifying body wraps, it's all about health and glamour. A skilled stylist can give them a fabulous new haircut, and they can finish off with a pedicure to make sure they are looking their absolute best from head to toe. They will leave the spa feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready for their close-up. And of course, no luxury stay is complete without exceptional food. The culinary team at D-Pet Hotels provides delicious, healthy meals prepared by their in-house chef. They offer a curated menu of brown rice with chicken or beef and vegetables, ensuring a balanced and tasty diet. And for a special treat, they can even order from the in-room dining menu. The entire experience at D-Pet Hotels is about providing a seamless blend of health, wellness, and over-the-top Hollywood luxury. It's a truly unforgettable destination for the dog who has everything. Next up, we're jetting off to the mountains. Imagine crisp air, snowy peaks, and your best furry friend by your side. At the Little Nell in Aspen, your pup is treated like royalty. Plush pet beds, gourmet dog menus, and thoughtful amenities await. The staff welcome your pet with 5-star service, making every moment special. Explore mountain trails together, then relax in pure luxury. The Little Nell is a dream for pet lovers, where adventure and pampering go paw in paw. Welcome to Hotel deLuxe in Portland, where old Hollywood glamour meets pet-friendly luxury. Step inside and you're transported to the golden age of cinema, with Art Deco style and a red carpet for your furry star. Pets are truly pampered here, with plush beds, gourmet treats, and even a dedicated pet room service menu. The staff adore animals and offer thoughtful extras, from city guides to pet sitting. Explore Portland's parks together, then unwind in your stylish suite. At Hotel deLuxe, you and your pet are the stars, creating glamorous, unforgettable memories. Welcome to Loews Coronado Bay Resort in sunny San Diego, a true paradise for pets and their people. Set on its own private peninsula, this luxury resort is all about sun, sand, and four-legged fun. The Loews Loves Pets program means your furry friend is pampered from the moment you arrive. There's even a gourmet pet room service menu. With nearby dog beaches, paddleboarding, and even dog surfing events, adventure is everywhere. Or unwind together with pet yoga in the gardens. At Loews Coronado Bay, every moment is pure bliss for you and your best friend. Welcome to Hong Kong, where ancient traditions meet modern luxury. At the W Hotel, pets aren't just allowed, they're celebrated. The W's Pets Are Welcome program pampers your furry friend with a curated welcome pack, plush bed, and gourmet in-room dining. Enjoy stunning harbour views together and let your pet play in the rooftop dog park high above the city. At the W Hong Kong, every detail is designed for you and your pet to relax, explore, and feel truly at home. Kimpton hotels have truly revolutionized pet-friendly travel. Their philosophy is simple. If your pet can fit through the door, they're welcome. No extra fees, no fuss. Whether you have a Chihuahua, Great Dane, cat, or rabbit, all are treated like treasured guests. The hotel's director of pet relations, often a resident dog, greets you with a wagging tail. Rooms come with plush pet beds, bowls and treats, so your companion feels right at home. And every evening, you and your pet are invited to a complimentary wine reception, because at Kimpton, everyone is family. For our next stop, we're coming home to London, to a place that embodies classic British elegance and charm. Tucked away in a quiet, leafy street in the heart of Knightsbridge is the Egerton House Hotel. This 5-star boutique hotel is the absolute epitome of luxury, and their attitude towards pets is just as refined and welcoming as the rest of their service. From the moment you arrive, your pet is not just tolerated, they are celebrated. The staff greet them by name, ready with a fresh bowl of filtered water and a welcome treat, making them feel like the VIP they truly are. This isn't about flashy gimmicks. It's about discreet, personalized service that anticipates your every need. The hotel understands that for many of us, our pets are family and they deserve to be treated with the same level of respect and care. They will take the time to learn your dog's name, their favorite things, and any special dietary needs they might have. It's this bespoke approach that makes you feel so incredibly special. You're not just another guest with a dog. You are a cherished visitor, and they are there to make your stay absolutely perfect in every single way. Now, what could be more quintessentially British than afternoon tea? Well, at the Egerton House Hotel, your dog can join in on this beloved tradition with their very own doggy afternoon tea. I mean, how adorable is that? While you indulge in delicate finger sandwiches, scones with clotted cream and jam, and exquisite pastries, your canine companion is presented with their own tiered stand. It's laden with delicious dog-friendly treats like chicken and beef meatloaf, homemade dog biscuits, and for dessert, a special ice cream that is just for them. It is simply one of the cutest things I've ever seen. It's an experience designed to be shared, creating a truly special memory for you and your pet. The presentation is just as beautiful as the human version, served on fine china in the hotel's gorgeous drawing room. It's the perfect way to spend a sophisticated afternoon, enjoying the finest British traditions together. The sheer delight on a dog's face when presented with their own fancy meal is something you have to see to believe. It's an experience that is utterly charming, wonderfully decadent, and so special. The exceptional service at the Egerton extends all the way to bedtime. They believe a good night's sleep is essential for every guest, and that includes the furry ones. In your room, your pet will discover their own embroidered pet towel, a plush comfortable bed to curl up in, and a personal food and water bowl. They really have thought of everything to create a home-from-home environment, ensuring your pet feels secure, comfortable, and thoroughly pampered throughout their stay. It's this level of detail that speaks volumes about their commitment to animal welfare. They also offer a range of personalized services that are just wonderful. If you need to pop out for a bit, they can arrange for expert dog sitting or dog walking services, so you can rest assured that your companion is in the very best hands. The walkers know all the best routes through nearby Hyde Park, giving your dog a fantastic runaround in one of London's most beautiful green spaces. It's this peace of mind that allows you to fully enjoy everything the city has to offer, knowing your best friend is being cared for with love and professionalism. The hotel's pet concierge is always on hand to help with any request, no matter how big or small. Need a recommendation for a pet-friendly pub? They have a list. Forgotten your pet's favorite toy? They can help source a new one. They can even arrange for a special grooming session to get your pooch looking their best for a stroll through Knightsbridge. This dedicated service ensures a completely seamless and stress-free stay, where every possible need is catered for with a smile. It is luxury service at its absolute finest. Ultimately, a stay at the Egerton House Hotel is about creating beautiful, lasting memories. It's about the quiet moments, like watching your dog doze happily by the fire in the drawing room, or the shared joy of that incredible afternoon tea. It's a place where the staff don't just serve you, they care for you. Their genuine love for animals shines through in everything they do, making it a truly magical London retreat for you and the four-legged love of your life. It's a truly unforgettable and heartwarming experience. Welcome to the Fairmont Miramar Hotel and Bungalows in Santa Monica, where Hollywood glamour meets beachfront bliss for you and your pup. Imagine stepping into the Californian sunshine, your furry friend by your side, ready for a 5-star adventure. Here, pets are truly celebrated, greeted with genuine smiles, treats, and thoughtful touches. Perched above the Pacific, the views are breathtaking, and the garden's perfect for strolls. Pamper your pup at the pet spa, then enjoy gourmet meals together. Finish the day with a joyful run on the beach. Pure Californian dream. For our final destination, we're heading to the majestic snow-dusted peaks of Colorado. Tucked away here is the Ritz-Carlton Bachelor Gulch, a grand timber lodge where luxury meets mountain adventure. The hotel's Canine ambassador, a Bernese mountain dog named Bachelor, greets guests, both 2- and 4-legged. Pets are pampered with plush beds, treats, and even in-room massages. Explore stunning mountain trails together, then relax by a roaring fire. There's even a gourmet pet menu, true canine luxury. At Bachelor Gulch, every family member, furry or not, is treated to an unforgettable alpine escape. Wow, what an incredible journey that was! From glamorous city breaks to blissful beach resorts and majestic mountain lodges, it's just been so wonderful to see how these amazing hotels are rolling out the red carpet for our furry family members. It really warms your heart, doesn't it? Seeing all those happy dogs being so spoiled and loved. It just goes to show that you never have to leave your best friend behind when you want to experience a bit of luxury. I hope it's given you lots of inspiration for your next big adventure with your own beloved pet. Now, a little tip for all you budding creators out there looking to make your own travel videos. If you need some brilliant music to go with your footage, the YouTube audio library is a fantastic resource. It's full of amazing copyright-free tracks that you can use to make your videos sound super professional without having to worry about any of the legal bits and bobs. It's a great little tool to have up your sleeve, so do go and check it out. It can really make all the difference to your final film. We have had the best time showing you these incredible places, and we really hope you've enjoyed coming along for the ride. It's been an absolute joy to discover these havens where pets are not just allowed, but truly celebrated. Every single destination has offered something unique and special, from doggy afternoon tea to canine spa treatments. It's just been a dream. We love finding these hidden gems and sharing them with all of you. So thank you so much for watching and for sharing in our adventures. If you love these luxury pet destinations, and I mean, who wouldn't? Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by hitting that like button. And if you want to see more amazing adventures and travel tips, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that little notification bell so you never miss a thing. We've got so much more to show you. Thank you again for joining us. See you next time on Explore and Discover. Bye!